That seems to be the bone of contention between the taxi associations which are operating here in the Ethekwini Metro, as well as the Ethekwini Metro and the Department of Transport. You recall that the Ethekwini municipality has been saying time and time again that they will not allow, taxis to operate without valid permits. So they were clamping down on those that were doing so, and as a result, that particular action angered taxi owners, saying that they want those taxis to be released from the municipality of Ethekwini. But as you rightfully indicated in your introduction, Fundo, that thousands and thousands of commuters have been left stranded as a result of this ongoing taxi. Of course, you'd recall again that when this particular strike started about 3 days ago, it only affected the KwaDabeka as well as Claremont taxi association, which falls under the Santaco organization. But from yesterday, the word which came through after a meeting which was held by the Ethekwini municipality as well as the taxi representatives was that that particular strike will now be spreading throughout the city of Durban, really affecting a number of commuters as well as residents. But allow me now, Mfundo, to introduce Mr. Mluleki Mtungwa, who is the mayor's spokesperson here in Ethekwini, just to get a sense really of how things are unfolding at this particular moment. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Mtungwa. Yesterday, there was that crucial meeting which was held between taxi representatives as well as yourselves as the municipality. Where did you guys not find each other?
Good day, Simphiwe. I must indicate that engagements are ongoing with the leadership of the taxi industry in Ethekwini. Yesterday, the mayor convened an urgent meeting with the leadership of Ethekwini Metro Taxi Council and the Department of Transport in KwaZulu-Natal. I mean, with a sole purpose of finding an amicable solution to the problem. I must indicate that there were some issues that the taxi industry raised, such as the delays in the issuing of the permits, the impounding of the vehicles that do not have operating licenses. So as a city, we acknowledge that indeed there are some delays, and we agreed with the Department of Transport that we are going to fast track the process of issuing of operating license to ensure that the taxi operators do operate within the ambit of the law. With regards to the impounded vehicles, there were some negotiations that started between the Ethekwini municipality and the Claremont KwaDabeka Taxi Association to assist them so that we can be able to release their taxis. But that process is relying heavily on the cooperation between the city and the leadership of the taxi association. So our doors remain open to engage with them and to accelerate the process of releasing these vehicles within the ambit of the law. I must emphasize that.
Just for clarity, Mr. Mtunga, how many of these vehicles were impounded?
Well, they have indicated that there are 25 vehicles that have been impounded. That is the figure that we have at the moment, just for the Claremont and KwaDabeka Taxi Association.
If you are saying that you were able to agree on a number of aspects with regards to the grievances or concerns that were raised by the taxi representatives, why though are we seeing this particular strike continuing?
Well, as I've indicated, that engagements are still continuing. The mayor has indicated that his door will remain open because we all have an interest in seeing this matter resolved amicably.
Is there a meeting that is scheduled to take place today or later this afternoon with regards to this impasse?
Well, as I've indicated, the mayor is ready to engage with them at any time. So we will be waiting to hear from them if they are now at a position where they can be able to engage with the leadership of the city so that we can end the strike, and so that the lives of the people of Ethekwini can return to normalcy.
Appreciate your time, Mr. Mtungwa.
Thank you very much.
That is Mr. Mluleki Mtungwa, who speaks on behalf of the city of Ethekwini Mayor Cyril Xaba there, Mfundo, giving us an update really in terms of the steps that the city has taken to ensure that they bring stability, in the industry. Of course, we are expecting to have an interaction as well with the representatives of the taxi industry later on this afternoon, just to get a sense from them as to what is going to happen from today going forward.